Story 10. I was constantly engaged in prayer at the head of the Prophet Yahya's tomb in the cathedral mosque of Damascus, when one of the Arab kings, notorious for his injustice, happened to arrive on a pilgrimage to it, offered his supplications, and asked for compliance with his needs. The dervish and the plutocrat are slaves on the floor of this threshold, and those who are the wealthiest are the most needy. Then he said to me, dervishes, being zealous and voracious in their dealings, unite thy mind to mine, for I am apprehensive of a powerful enemy. I replied, have mercy upon thy feeble subjects, that thou mayst not be injured by a strong foe, with a powerful arm and the strength of the wrist. Break the 5 fingers of a poor man is sin. Let him be afraid who spares not the fallen, because if he falls, no one will take hold of his hand. Whoever sows bad seed and expects good fruit has cudgeled his brains for naught and begotten vain imaginations. Extract the cotton from thy ears and administer justice to thy people. And if thou failest to do so, there is a day of retribution. The sons of Adam are limbs of each other, having been created of one essence. When the calamity of time afflicts one limb, the other limbs cannot remain at rest. If thou hast no sympathy for the troubles of others, thou art unworthy to be called by the name of man. And I don't know what word we're seeing for pilgrimage, perhaps visit. You can visit graveyards in your area. You can visit the places of your region, but it's not per se a pilgrimage in the Arabic sense of the terms. But whether a person is good or bad outside of things, if you're both there together, supplicating, in regard to the dead, being reminded by the situation of the graveyard, or better yet, at the house of worship, which no graveyard is the house of worship, and certainly some of them are big enough. But